guys, Cindee here from Cynthia Porter Studio. So what I have going on tonight is a 12 by 16 level 3 gallery wrapped canvas, and I want to play a little bit with this little piggy bloom recipes. Right here I have King of Pain, which is your Payne's Gray, and then beside it I have Sangria, which this one I've really looked forward to using. It is just so sparkly beautiful. So this is my main player I'm wanting. And then to go with that, I've added Venus, which I haven't played with yet, and that's a beautiful iridescent soft pink. And so what I'm going to use on that is my Oxide Black by Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol. I just want to do something with minimal colors. I've been really inspired by the 3 people that I do my Friday with Friends with, Tiffany, Lance, and Donna. So they're pretty much all my inspiration for this piece. So I'm going to put you guys to music because I'm wanting to listen to mine, and let's see where I go with this. Oh, I wanted to tell you and speak for all of us. We so much appreciate all of you that join us in our chats and our premieres every Friday. It means so much to us. You just wouldn't even know. Well, maybe you would, because a lot of you have premieres and things. So I just want to say I love y'all. See you in a sec. Bye-bye. Hey Google, turn up. Play Pat Benatar Radio. Here I'm cutting my canvas with Valpar Medallion up in white. I want to know, have y'all tried adding Floetrol to your base white? Because mine seems to dry way too quickly, especially when I hit it with that blow dryer. If you all have a solution to that problem, go ahead and leave me a comment in the description. I'd really appreciate it. I've been battling that.
Keeping track of is the weather, and there's no wind, no sun, nothing.
Here I'm making sure that my edges are covered and my bubbles are popped, and I just picked out a little schmegly.
It's finding me. There's no love under the...
I've always wanted just to smear my cell activator on my canvas. I really like kind of like that celly lacing stuff that happens. It's so cool.
Waving my white flag, wanted it.
face. A face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd do anything you want me to. 'Cause I love you.
Okay guys, I think I really love it. This is so different than from what I usually do with the minimal colors. And I love that sangria. And I want to tell you guys, I'm going to turn you around here. If you haven't checked out Lance at Pouring Together with Lance Travis and Tiffany of Tiffany Remijn Art, please go back and check them out. Their links and Donna's link at It's Art by Donna M are in my description. They give me so much inspiration and encouragement. Boy, I've missed them this week. You guys, I've missed you. I've been so busy with work and my brother in town. I'm so thankful to have him in town, though. I'll bring you down in close. I hope you can see the shimmer. I don't know if my phone will pick it up, but that sangria is gorgeous. And I always wanted to just swipe with the cell activator on the white because I just love that effect right there. Is that not just groovy? Goodness. I really, really like this. I know I already said it. Oh, and I want to thank you all for all of us. We really enjoy all you guys that come to our premiere every Friday and join us in our conversation. I know I don't keep up with you very well, but I want to wish you guys a bunch of peace, love, light, and lots of laughter. And it's on to It's Art by Donna M. Love y'all. Bye-bye.